Roland bought a coffee for $10 plus 1/3 the price of the coffee. What was the price of the coffee? I'll solve this problem in 3, 2, 1. Let's let C be the price of the coffee. We'll translate the statement into an equation. The price of the coffee is 10 plus 1/3 the price of the coffee. So that C must be 10 plus 1/3 times C. Let's solve this equation for C. First, just subtract 1/3 C from both sides of the equation. On the left we get 2/3 C, and on the right we get 10. So we have 2/3 C is equal to 10. We can isolate C by multiplying both sides by the multiplicative inverse of 2/3, which is 3/2. 3/2 times 2/3 is equal to 1. So on the left we get C, and on the right we get 10 times 3/2, which is 15. So our answer is $15. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.